Welcome to the Structure Studios online video series. This video will explain type-in measurements. Create an entire project by typing in measurements as you design. We'll create this shape by using the keyboard to type in the values. Activate the line tool. Left-click to start the line. Type 30 on the keyboard. As you move the mouse, a 30-foot line follows the cursor and the angle of the line appears. To set the angle, press the Tab key or / on the number pad. To create a straight line, type 0 and press Enter to set the line in place. The angle of the line is based on the angle of the grid. Type 90 degrees to go up, 180 to go to the left, and 270 or -90 to go down. Next, we need to draw a line that is 4 feet 6 inches down. Measurements can be entered as decimals or as feet and inches. Type in 4.5 feet, or type 4 for feet, then press spacebar, and then 6 for inches. Press / to set the angle. Enter 270 or -90 to have the line go down. Press Enter to set the line. Now we'll activate the Arc tool. The first value we type in is the radius distance. Type 5.5 or 5 spacebar 6 and press / to set the angle. Type -90 again and press Enter to set the arc. Next, type in the arc distance. We can type in the specific distance of 17 feet 3 inches or just press / to just set the angle. To go halfway around the arc, type 180 degrees and press Enter to set the arc. Switch back to the Line tool to create another 4 foot 6 inch line set to -90 degrees and press Enter. Then type 30 / 180 to have the next line go to the left and press Enter. Now type 4.5 / 90 and press Enter. Switch back to the Arc tool to create the next radius. Type 5.5 / 90 and press Enter. Then press / and type 180 to set the arc and press Enter. To complete the shape, activate the Line tool. The Autocomplete target line appears. Press Enter. We can also use type-in measurements with other tools. Activate the Rotate tool. Type 90 degrees and press Enter to rotate the shape vertical. Now activate the Scale tool. Whatever value is typed in will multiply the shape by that value. If you type in 2, the shape will double in size. Type in 0.5 to reduce it by half. We'll type in 1.5 and press Enter. To smooth out the corners of the shape, activate the Smooth tool. Select the right corner point and type in 3 to set the radius to 3 feet and press Enter. Next, activate the Outline tool. Left-click the shape to use it as a guide. To offset the shape by 3 feet, type in 3 and press Enter. Next, type in the distance to travel around the shape. If the value you type in is too large, the software will automatically assign the maximum value possible. Press Enter to complete the outline. We can also use type-in measurements with the Measure tool. Activate Measure. Left-click to start the line on the shape. Type in 15 and press Enter to add a 15-foot measure guide from the center. This completes instruction on type-in measurements. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit structurestudios.com/help.